안녕하세요, 은혜입니다. 전 오늘 요즘 영어 공부를 하고 있는데 너무 어려워요. 다 선생님들 입장에서 말하고 있으니까 오늘은 제가 학생 입장에 대해서 공부하고 배워볼게요. 그래서 이 시리즈 만들고 있거든요. 우리 함께 같이 배우자. 오늘은 베이직 인사에 대해서 배워볼게요. 다들 How are you? I'm fine, thank you, and you? 이렇게 하잖아요. 근데 How are you today? 하면 Oh my god! 이러니까 우리가 함께 쉽게 배워볼 수 있는 거를 오늘 할게요. 감독님 도와주세요.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
How are you today?
I'm great.
How are you today?
I'm so.
Oh, how are you today?
I'm under the weather.
Oh, what does under the weather mean? Under the weather.
under the weather는 날씨 때문에 좋지 않다라는 뜻이에요.
Okay, so sunny days?
Okay. Wednesday.
No, 비 오는 날.
비 오는 날 Wednesday.
No, rainy day.
Rainy day. Rainy day.
I'm under the weather.
I'm under the weather. I
Right.
said.
Right. Okay, very good. How are you this morning?
I'm fine.
How are you this morning?
I'm good.
How are you this morning?
I'm alright.
How are you this evening? I mean this morning, I'm sorry. How are you this morning?
I'm so.
Okay, so what does how are you this morning mean? 무슨 뜻이야?
오늘 아침 기분 어땠어요?
Right.
이렇게
Okay.
말씀하는 거예요. How are you today? 오늘 어땠어요?
Right.
How are you this morning? 오늘 아침 기분 어때요?
Right, very good.
How
So,
this evening? 오늘,
how are you this evening?
오늘 저녁 기분 어때요?
Right. So how are you this evening?
I'm fine.
Okay, how are you this evening?
I'm good.
How are you this evening?
I'm alright.
How are you this evening?
I'm so.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
네.
How are you lately?
요즘에 어떻게 지내셨어요?
Right,
이렇게
okay.
말하는 거예요. How are you lately?
So, how are you lately?
I'm fine.
How are you lately?
I'm good.
How are you lately?
I'm alright.
How are you lately?
I'm so.
Okay, very good. How are you this afternoon?
I'm good.
Okay, what does it mean? How are you this afternoon?
afternoon? 아침 기분 어때요? 오늘 아침 기분 오후
Right.
오후의 기분 어때요?
Right. So one more time. How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine.
Okay, what does it mean?
오후의 기분 어때요?
Right. Okay, how are you this afternoon?
I'm good.
Okay, how are you this afternoon?
I'm alright.
Okay, and how are you this afternoon?
I'm so.
Okay, let's go here. How are you doing? Alright?
오케이. 우리는 지금 두 번째 인사를 배워볼게요. How are you doing? 하면 지금 무엇을 하고 있나요? 하고 있나요인데 쓸 때는 how are you doing으로 쓰고 말할 때는 how are you doing으로 쓰세요. 그리고 대답할 때도 I'm doing fine 이렇게 I'm doing으로 말해주시면 되세요. 감독님 도와주세요.
Okay. How you doing lately?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, how you doing lately?
I'm doing good.
How you doing lately?
I'm doing alright.
How you doing lately?
I'm doing so.
Oh, okay. How you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
How you doing today?
I'm doing alright.
How you doing today?
I'm doing so.
Oh. Okay, how you doing this afternoon?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, how you doing this afternoon?
I'm doing good.
How you doing this afternoon?
I'm doing great.
How you doing this afternoon?
I'm doing so.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, how you doing this evening?
I'm doing fine.
How you doing this evening?
I'm doing good.
How you doing this evening?
I'm doing alright.
How you doing this evening?
I'm doing so.
Okay, very good.
우리 세 번째 인사를 배워볼게요. How have you been? 이렇게 말하면 오랜만에 만났을 때 How have you been? 어떻게 지내셨어요? 물어보는 거예요. 하지만 글로 쓸 때는 How have you been 이렇게 쓰고 말할 때는 How you been 이렇게 쓰는 거예요. 그리고 말할 때도 대답할 때도 I've been fine 이렇게 대답해 주시면 되세요. 감독님 도와주세요.
Okay. How you been lately?
I've been fine.
How you been lately?
I've been good.
How you been lately?
I've been alright.
How you been lately?
I've been so-so.
How you been lately?
I've been under the weather.
Oh, very good.
지금까지 어떠셨어요? 우리 웹사이트에 가시면 아까 우리 연습했던 질문과 대답이 이쪽에 있으시거든요. 보고 궁금한 거 있으시면 여기 밑에 이메일로 보내주시고요. 우리 함께 같이 업그레이드 해요. See you soon.